And welcome to a new edition, Triple Chips, Unbox to Box. Where today I picked this item up here. It's Magic Bullet, your personal kitchen assistant. Picked this up at Canadian Tire for $49.99. It's just basically a little mixer. It's got a 250 watt motor base, stainless steel cross blades. Get 2 party mugs with it, a tall cup, 3 comfort lip rings, 3 stay fresh resealable lids, a user guide and recipe guide. You just make a variety of different stuff. It's pretty multi-purpose. Sauces, smoothies, cocktails, desserts, dips. There's a variety of different stuff. Mix, crush, whip, chop, pulse, and blend. There's different ones, but this is like one of the more reasonably priced ones. We'll just cut this open. Go. So the first thing you see in there, you get your user and recipe guide. And for you French people out there, there's a French version too. That's the one I'll be using. Okay. Then to warranty it, you'll just find your serial number on the base and it tells you how to register and stuff. Okay, so what you get inside here is, let's take these out of here. A couple of your screw-on lids, 2 different ones. That's what they must mean by the party cups. Tells you there's a max level, don't put anything past that. Doesn't say how big these actually are. Might see in the book here somewhere. And this piece here is just threads off like that. And that's where your blades are. So it looks like you can just basically, so you want to use one of these cups, you can just unthread that off. This fits on probably any of your cups that it comes with. So you could just simply put your strawberries or whatever, say ice cream in there if you wanted to make some type of milkshake or something. Put it in there. Here's your base unit. What's that here? More plastic. Pop that open. When I showed before that registration card, you're just going to get that serial number off the base of the unit. Oh, it's the Magic Bullet single shot. So say you had to put your stuff in there, you would just simply turn it upside down like that. It lines up with these little tabs on the side here. Then you just push it down, and that's what's going to blend it. Your cord is approximately, let's take this off. It's a pretty short cord, maybe 2.5 feet long or so. 3 feet if you're lucky, but I don't think it's even 3. Little child safety thing you might want to keep for other items. Oh, it says on here too, a warning, never blend warm, hot, or carbonated ingredients. They can cause pressurization, separate, and cause injury. So always do cold or cool liquids. And it shows you on the side here how to remove and how to, which direction to turn your cup when you install it on there. Just some more additional lids you get here. It's just for storing purposes if you didn't drink all your drinks, so you get one for each one. They say magic bullet on it. So you got a total of 3 of those. The rings you got green, blue, and I think there's a red one in here too. And that's, you get one more party cup. That's just got the red one. That just threads off just the same way. So I believe these cups are, I might say on here how big they are. It probably says somewhere in the guide what the actual size is. But you're more curious about that, just check online. I think they were, don't quote me, but I think maybe 8 to 10 ounce was the size of these cups. Like, it's an average mug. Like, I mean, I compare it to my hand. It's a fair size. It's got a good little drink in there, so pick up one of these. Nice little blender if you don't have one. I just got it for making smoothies and stuff like that. So until next time, it's been Triple Chip. Go down to Canadian Tire and pick you up one of these. You can probably find them at other stores too. But that's been it for this one. Vlog is over. Catch you in the next one.